to make a gold grinder and buildable for treasure. By the way, credit by wazz. Wait. My camera is glitched. There we go. First, place a wheel block. Bro, where is it? Oh, there. Make it like this. Then place 50 blocks or other blocks if you want to, but I will use the plastic block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 50. Now we need to place 2 portal. Paint the other one whatever you want. This white. Then place a. Wait, forgot about the other one. By the way, guys, you can make this whatever you want. Not whatever you want. Like this or like this. Wait. Like this. Then place 5 blocks. Oh, bro, I forgot to do the merging level to green, but it's okay. Then do this. Do that or like this if you want the other one. Like that. Do the other one if you want to, but I will just do that for now. I kinda destroyed this, so let me fix it. Like that. Then place a glue block. Oh, I forgot to color this. This white. This is. Then place a glue block. I can't say it. If you don't have a pilot seat, then just do the glitch thing. This. That. Then this, put a hinge. This is where you get the glue block from the quest, find me quest. Then you can also do it on the chest, but I have a glue block, so yeah. Do this and place the jet. Then place a portal. Two portals. Wait, like that. Then make sure you color it. Make the same color as that. Then go to your screwdriver. Make this yellow. Then bruh, stop. Then do this Actually, yeah. Do this collision on. Then unanchor all. Oh, I forgot to place the thingy, the bot, not the button. It's a lever. Place a lever here. Like that, and unanchored all. And there you have it. Just press this button. Then go to your pilot seat. Go here. Then make sure you anchor this like that. Then do that like that. If you want to go here, you will get 20 gold, but in the second stage, you will get 30 gold. But just follow it. Follow my steps. Like there? Yeah. I know. Yeah, like there. Sometimes you get 20 gold, sometimes you get 30 gold. And guys, this is the end of the video. Bye. Hope you like it. Bye.